Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your Discord password without your old Discord password. So normally if you're logged in on Discord and you want to change your password, you have to have your old Discord password to make a new Discord password. But I'll show you how to do it without that. So first things first, go to Discord, and once you're here, click on the three bars in the top left. Once you click on that, click on your profile picture in the bottom right. Now once you are here, scroll down until you see the log out button and click on it. Once you log out, it'll bring you to this page and click on login. Once you click login, put in your Gmail and then click forgot your password. It's a blue text right above the login button. Once you click that, it will send a password reset to your Gmail that's associated with your Discord account. So go to your Gmail and Discord should have sent you a password reset email. Once you see it, click on reset password and it'll tell you to open up a browser. Use any browser and click on the link. Once it loads, it should bring you to this page where you can change your password. Once you change your password, you can log back into Discord by putting in your Gmail and putting in your new password. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them, and I will see you guys next time.